Hey guys, I'm Dantas and I'm here with CBC Life to show you guys how I got this makeup look in under 15 minutes. I know it is back to school time very soon and all of us want a little bit more snooze time in the AM. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. 15 minutes on the clock starts right now. So the first thing that you're always going to want to do is prime your face. If you have oily skin, you're going to want to use a mattifying primer. And if you have dry skin, you're going to want to use a moisturizing primer, which I'm using right now. The next thing we're going to do is foundation. This one's by ColourPop and it is super affordable. Everything in this video is very affordable, so it'll be easier to get your hands on. And I love using a foundation that's a little bit more on the matte side, especially when we're in a school setting, just because I feel like we get oily throughout the day. So the next thing I'm going to do is conceal my under eye circles. I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I like to really highlight a large portion underneath my eyes to just help brighten everything up. And then I balance that out by highlighting the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. So for bronzer today, I'm using my CoverGirl bronzer. This bronzer is super intense and pigmented, and again, very, very affordable. So I like to do a 3 shape whenever I am bronzing up my face. So naturally, the sun is gonna hit our forehead, and then we're gonna hit underneath our cheekbones, and then underneath our jawline. Of course, we're gonna add a little bit of rouge. This is the BH Cosmetics blush, and I'm just gonna hit the apples of my cheeks, and then just blend that back. Quickly going to do my brows. This is another one by ColourPop. ColourPop is seriously so affordable, guys. Like, my whole kit is ColourPop. You guys need to check out ColourPop if you haven't already. So I always do the tail of my brow, really define it, and then work my way to the front of my brow with a really light hand. Next up, I'm using my ColourPop Super Shock highlighter, and I'm gonna highlight all the high points of my face. I feel like when you don't have that much makeup on but you have a nice glow, your makeup just looks flawless. So next up for the eyes, I'm using my Pure Cosmetics Celebrate Your Selfie eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go into that mauve color with a big blending brush, and I'm just doing window washer motions in the crease of my eye. And then I'm also going to diffuse that on my bottom lash line to just help define my eyes. Okay guys, we cannot forget about the glitter. I'm using my Stila glitter eyeshadow, using the applicator that it comes with just to apply this on my eyelid and then just blending it out with a brush. Next, we're going to coat my lashes with some mascara. If you guys have lash extensions, that is going to save you so much time in the morning because this alone took me probably 2 minutes. So the last step for the eyes is just popping in a white eyeliner in your waterline. This just makes your eyes look so much bigger and just more awake. So my absolute ride or die favorite lipstick formula right now is a liquid lipstick. This formula is so amazing because it stays in place all day long. You don't have to reapply. It is bulletproof. So this one is by Pop Beauty and it's in the shade Pale Baby. And the last thing I'm going to do is just highlight my brow bone and my inner tear duct. And voila, that took me less than 15 minutes. So here's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see more from moi, check out my personal channel at Dantas Beauty, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.